somebody asked for a video on how to create a camera shake that's really small, just like in It's Blinds games, stuff like this, a little kind of swaying motion. So we're going to do that in this video. Cool. So going to create a folder where we're putting this camera shake, and then what we're going to do is create a blueprint. I'm going to create a camera shake source actor. Okay, so we'll put down a camera shake source actor, and it will look something like this. This is fine. What we're going to do is put this in our game, put this like in a to like 0, and then just make this super high. We're going to need to then create a camera shake. I already have a video on this, but that's a bit different of a video. For example, if I do daily walking camera, this is the exact one that you see right here. If it's still here, sometimes it's a bit buggy. There you go, you can see it. It's a slight little sway. We can just go through the settings here. I've also got a picture of pitch, roll, axis. This is so you know what settings you want to change. For me, this is what works kind of nicely. You could put like 1. You can just copy this exactly if you want, but essentially play around with these. You can look over here to see, like in the location part, if you say you want it to go up and down more, you could increase these specific ones. So amplitude is in all of these. Amplitude is like how much it's gonna move. So say if I had a really high X amplitude, that would mean my forward, it would be moving forward and backwards in really big amounts. If I had it as a low X amplitude, it would stop moving in such big amounts. Frequency is like how often it happens. So for example, the lower the number, the lower the number, the longer that it's going to take to do the amplitude. So if you had a low amplitude and a low frequency, it would be just kind of a smooth kind of thing, a smooth little swaying. If you had high amplitude with low frequency, it would move a lot but kind of smoothly. But if you had this frequency on high, it's going to be moving all over the place. So experiment with what you need for your map, and once you've created that, you just put it into camera shake and enable auto start, and you'll have one. Hopefully this video is helpful to somebody. Got a course pre-order in the description, Patreon as well. Use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite items shop, and subscribe and drop a comment.